Welcome to the Plume Report. This is our research channel. The Plume Report I created so you can have a weekly intelligence of what actually happened that was verified without having to scroll for hours. I want to give everybody in a position to win. So this is the snapshot of what happened, verified results. Now, if you want the full Plume Report, not just a snapshot, scan this QR code or press join and you'll see the full conversation about what happened in past week. So let's jump right into it. The Plume Report, this is what happened. We saw a lot happening in the last week. This is from December the 29th, 2025 through January the 11th, a snapshot. And I want you to know a few things happened. What did we see happen? Plume published multiple official announcements. It was about launches, ecosystem expansions, leadership visibility, and market access. Now, the ecosystem actions included new institutional products. They went live. There was validators and expansion and increased geographic exposure across Asia and other emerging markets. Now, my big takeaway from this is pretty simple. This wasn't a quiet week. This was not a marketing week. This was operational. So that's what I saw there. But we also saw a few other things in the market that I thought that were very important. Let me share that with you as well. We also found this. We found in the week of Plume, we found product infrastructure. This week, it was mostly the most important thing that I saw was the Gemstone powered by Plume connection. Now, Gemstone brings Brazilian credit and card receivables on chain, and it enables institutional grade yield through real world cash flows. Now, in plain English, let me tell you this means to me. This means that tokenized, automated, distributed off-chain credit products are now not just something that's experimental with RWAs. This is revenue generating infrastructure. So this was concrete RWA finance for me. So from my concept, this is production, not concept. And looking through that, we saw a few other things. One thing that I thought was really important that you may see as important as well is this right here. What shipped out, what went live. So this is what went live. Now, the distribution and access was expanded over the last week. There was new exchanges, MEXC exchange, that's huge. Validator participation from global operators, some of the biggest names became validators on Plume. There was earn and yield pathways opening to broader uses, and framing this was important to me. Access was about expansion, not about hype. Now, Plume is prioritizing availability, liquidity rails, and participation before narrative cycles are even there. So the signal for me long term was Plume is here to stay. So there was a few other things that I thought were important in this snapshot. We also saw access expand. Let's talk about some of those expansions. The ecosystems and leadership signals. I was looking through what they did. Leadership signals. Now, they weren't quiet. Plume leadership appeared in panels in Hong Kong, Asia, reinforcing what they're trying to do. They were also showing that they was connected to big verified places. Like they have connection with Binance, MEXC, Republic Crypto, BlackRock, Securitize. This is what they was talking about. So from the standpoint that I'm looking at, I saw that this was huge. They also showed launches with BlackOpal and major places in Hong Kong. CEOs reinforcing the tokenization is here. That's what I saw. And then Plume sentiment. This is what is going to be the meat of this all. What are people feeling about Plume? How are they taking Plume? Well, this is what I'm seeing in the data. So I looked at all the feedback, not just on CoinMarketCap, but actually the feedback in Plume Network on their X site. And this is what I found. There was the most feedback on the Gemstone launch, 29,900 views. The Binance Validator for Plume that had 28,500 views. And the 2026 roadmap giveaway had 25,600 views. So the top three engaged posts was Gemstone, Binance Validator, and a roadmap giveaway. So that was what I saw there. And we need to see that when you're looking at this, this tells you a lot. It tells you that people are engaged, people are interested, and Plume is not building hype. It showed me, though, that there is a little bit of hesitation in the marketplace, but they're not exiting. They are just coiling, ready to participate. So we need that regulation to go through. So that was the weekly report. I hope you enjoyed it.
Aye. Been a Plume goon since the start, I don't need permission, now I stay real with it. Lay on one foundation, know it's gon' build, bro, I been biddle with it. Your homeboy check the cash out, smart contracts with a cash out. Everybody want smoke till I turn the dare, show you where the house at. Spun the block, turns out I been BlackRock. Protocol, treasuries, barns on me, got them padlocked. Been the best out, they can imitate. Get the best out, then you integrate. Ask Ondo, who Rambo, drew first blood, boy, I been a great. Everybody then they start, boy, I'm in orbit. Stella still, hella Stella though, I like Swift better for the corporates. I'm the enterprise, I took nice, Hamilton on chain. Zero knowledge, always never improvise. The White House, know my name.